Alright, so here we go. This is at 1/80th of a second at 1000 ISO, f5.6. Here we go. Boom! Do it one more time. And we'll see if we can get one here without cars coming. There we go. Should be a cool shot. Okay, so we're looking for buildings that have bad lighting. Let me roll my window up. Well, actually, we're looking for cool lighting. There's all kinds of fireworks going on as well. That's neat. But we're looking for buildings, like old buildings, with like one light or a light out. Okay, now here's a laundromat. That could be cool. A couple cars in front, which isn't perfect, but yeah, that'll work though. We'll get up close here. What makes this neat is the sky behind it, in my opinion. The lines extending out toward us, which are leading lines going into the photo. You've got the red, which is cool on the lettering, and you've got well, the fact that it's a laundromat, which is just very cool. And one of the neat things about taking pictures at night, the vehicles are irrelevant. You can see the vehicles actually add kind of almost a mood to it, which makes it really neat. And again, you don't want to make the mistake of spending too much time on one location because there's other locations, but this kind of looked like it could be something neat, like a minimalist shot here at night. Let me roll this way so my car will get some lighting on it here. Let me back up. Maybe I can get this before this dude starts coming back with his trash and wants to start giving me the third degree. So here we go. See what we can get out of this. Okay, I don't know if this will be cool or not, but it looks like it could be. With those clouds back there, this is really neat. Okay, I'm not sure, but that could be cool. Okay, so we are at 1/80th of a second, 3.5. We're at 1600 ISO, and typically a building like this is going to be better off almost straight on, but let me get a corner shot. Again, the sun is not completely down over here in the western sky, so it's not all black yet, which is really neat. So I'm just going to stand here and do one of these where you're right in the middle, and you just get kind of a neat, I'm going to get some shots of this. That's what I'm talking about right here. This is really cool. Let me get out and get some shots here. I am at ISO 1000. Okay, I'm going to get a shot from down looking up. Let's see if we can get something a little closer here. That's 1/125th of a second. I don't want to have my ISO going every which way because I do want to keep it as low as possible. And yeah, typically we want to keep the ISO as low as possible so there's not a lot of noise, especially if you end up cropping. So let me go ahead and whip in here and see if we can get a quick shot. Okay. I'm using the touch screen in the back. I'm touching what I want in focus, and then I'm able to make sure where I do have my focus. And the it's still not completely dark out, so it's really cool with that sky the way it is. Let me get down low and get a low shot. Okay, there's a really neat bar here, and it says Tavern, so I'm going to try to go ahead and stop and see if I can get a shot of it. Park back far enough, get a photo if there's nobody out here. Nope, nobody out here. That's good, so I won't get in trouble. I don't get in trouble, just again, people don't like to have their picture taken at a bar. Here we go, see what we get. Okay, this is just really cool since it says Tavern. Neat shot. Pulling it back down to about 1/80th of a second. Awesome, awesome. So I'm gonna stay on this little side road here, and okay, now okay, tell me this is not neat. I don't know how well of a cool of a shot I can get of it, but and I'm gonna try to. Sometimes you want to point your car lights toward. No, I don't want to do it there because it will. That is obvious, so that's not good. So let me back up here a little bit. And let me go grab this shot. You know, things you don't pay attention to during the day, but at night, they're just cool. You tell me that's not cool? That's neat. Okay, so I don't know how neat it is actually, but could be cool. I found another place with some really cool red neon, but there's people sitting outside in front of all the neat ones. Okay, here's one that's empty, Mimi's. So let's get a shot of Mimi's. Okay, so let me see here. Okay, so this is cool. Let's see what we can get. Okay, looks neat enough. All right, let's see if I can get down low here. And boom. Okay, not sure what we got there, but should be neat. Now, there's another one I wanted to get here in the same parking lot, and it is an egg roll place or an Egg King or something like that. Okay, so here we go. Let's see if we can get into the parking lot here. Get out, jump out quick enough to get the shot. There's two cars parked in front, which is a bummer, but it's not going to stop me from getting the shot. So let's see, here we go. All right, this is neat. Got to really crank up the ISO though. Okay, so I'm up at 3200. This is much better. Should get a lot of grain here though, but okay. Don't know how that one came out, but got that shot. Yeah, might not be around after too long. Might as well take a good shot of the of the movie theater. Yeah, that's very bright. I can go up to about 1/25th of a second. There we go. That's kind of a neat shot. Oh, this is a good close perspective here. Here we go. Oh, nice. Okay, I'll take that. 1/25th of a second. Although we need to be a little at a different angle here. So let me try this loop-de-loop one more time. Well, it's still not what I was looking for, but oh well. It's one of these chain Mexican restaurants, but it's a very cool thing on the side. So see if I can get it while I'm still in the car would be even awesome. Oh yeah, I'll be able to get this. Okay, here we go. And nice. Nice. Very nice. Very happy with that. Let's see if we can get this. I'm going to crank this way down. 1/50th of a second. 3.5. That'll work. Okay. So let's roll on out.